दिखाओ झिंगुर दिखाओ, दिखाओ हाथ पे दिखाओ। ये जंगली सब्जी अति स्वादिष्ट। और ढूंढेंगे हम। ये सर्वाइवल स्किल है। दिस इज कॉल्ड सर्वाइवल स्किल ऑफ गुलार। We are going to hunt more of such kind of species and animals which can help us to survive in this environment. We are going on the danger places. अमन, ये देखियो, ये फ्रंट वीडियो सही ले रहा है। मैं ऐसे करूँगा, देखियो, देख फ्रंट की ले रहा है तो शक्ल दिख रही है।
हाँ
सही आ रहा है, देखियो। ये हम ऐसे मतलब बैक कैमरा काम करेगा, ठीक है ना।
हाँ हाँ सही है।
We were going to cross these mountains.
बट पता है आपको, बैक फ्रंट का छोड़ के बैक का ही करो सब कुछ। बैक का कैमरा रेजोल्यूशन अच्छा होता है ना, बैक को आगे पीछे कर देना। मैं बैक को आगे पीछे कर देंगे ना।
We don't know this common language this guy is speaking, but now crossing through these dangerous roads, we were going to take you to the mountains of the Shivalik Range, Himalayas. These are the dangerous trees where these guys are trying to climb. They are the local man here.
पहाड़ी बंदर।
These are called in India Pahari Bandars.
वीडियो में बनाओ इनका।
मैं जाता हूँ पहाड़ी बंदर।
One of the main famous person here, local person, he will show us how to climb the mountain.
और पैर में
Yeah, he's trying. I think he can do it. I think he can do it.
तो नीचे ही है।
I'm trying it. I love you. I know he know English.
कैमरा हिल
I love you.
इसको हाथ से मारो।
नहीं, हाथ से नहीं।
नीचे करो।
ये है चीड़ का पेड़।
वो नहीं आ रहा है।
मैं
देख।
चढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लेकिन
थोड़ा इस
मैं
तरफ।
खिसक जा रहा हूँ। मैं ठहरा पहाड़ी।
जोड़ा गया उसे।
देखो मैं निकाल।
मेरा खुटा रड़ रहा है, मैं क्या करूँ?
This guy is speaking his language which is not understandable. I will show you how this guy.
फंस गया।
Still, this guy is trying hard. We should appreciate his spirit of climbing.
My goodness. 1 minute, please. You know something going wrong with me because I'm stuck over here, so I'll try to go up. Yeah,
But he can do it. Oh my God, he's chanting some name.
Hanumanji also not supporting me.
Jai Sri Ram.
Shri Ram.
Oh, Mamta game.
Hey Allah! Yeah, Allah working, yes. Cannot go. Okay, let me go down, please.
Okay, we'll give it another try. Now we're really
मैं
going.
खिसक गया।
Now we're going for under hunting, which became. It's called survival skills in Uttarakhand.
कर सकते हैं?
You can see these trees. These trees are very, very old trees.
चढ़ना,
Very old trees.
चढ़ना, कोशिश करना।
Here, the son of the tribal man is trying. We'll give it a try. Let's see.
नीचे से ही जाना पड़ेगा।
Yes.
He's speaking in Hindi, I think. Indian language, you don't know, but he's trying.
Yes. Yes. This is called पहाड़ी बंदर.
I think he can't do it. Oh my God.
टूट रहा है बाबा, इससे नहीं हो सकता।
It's required some skills, man. Come to America. We'll teach you. You can see the beauty of these trees. Can you see? See these trees. How beautiful they are looking from the ground.
No, this is called doob. This one is doob, you know. This is basically used for the praise in Indian Hindu culture. So this is one of the purest herbs called dubul, and it doesn't need requirement of water anywhere because it can cultivate anywhere, and this all the time will find the green.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so this is something like, you know, it's a symbol of always, you know, like fruitful life and all kind of things. So those
It's evergreen plant.
evergreen.
Great.
This, there is a one more plant. It's called kunju. It is not here.
Kunju.
Yeah, but
Oh, it's a very good name.
I will try to find this one.
Okay. Here we come to the main place where we're going to find the survival skills which these villagers of Uttarakhand used to use at the time of crisis, at the time when there was no development. How these guys used to survive by these vegetables which used to find in the riverside, and the fishes and many more creatures yet to come.
Actually, you know, those time, you know, innocent time.
Wow, this tree is very good. I think it's gone by fire. Oh, it's great.
It is burned, you know.
Yeah, it burned.
This is-
Maybe forest fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, this you can see these trees, these long trees have these kind of leaves which catches fire very fastly, which led to the destruction of the forests. Not in India, in abroad, America also you can see the forest fire. I don't know the reason there, but reason here is these kind of leaves of these pine trees. These the leaves are so dry,
This
it
is one
catches
more.
the fire.
This is one more fruit. Of course, this is a dry this time. You cannot see any seed inside.
Wow, shape is
But,
too good.
this is- we
It
call
look
it-
like a scenery.
We call it chuti in local language, and it got many petals. Inside the petals, you know, itself got seed.
Oh
but this
God.
time there is no seed because all the seed is come out already.
Oh, we can eat that seed.
Yeah, that's a very costly seed. Is basically the, if you go in the international market,
Yo.
the cost for like 1 gram seed is almost like $29 as it in Singapore, because I'm living in Singapore, so I know this
Oh,
one.
means $30.
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
say.
very expensive.
30 means 30 into if you
And
call
this
80.
kind of seed is specially used for the in Indian cooking, because kind of masala.
Or you can say 240 rupees
Yeah,
in
I
India.
can see the different group of this one. This one is different form. This one is like
Oh, this one a baby.
so baby,
that one.
baby. Inside also there is no seeds, but I'll try. I will try, but it's not there. Yeah, of course it's dry. But you can see this is the best one. This is not the
Okay.
best. This is a matured. This is less matured. So here inside you get a bigger seed than this.
Oh,
So I
God.
will throw this one. Yeah, it's called chuti, and
Let me repeat again, my friends. This cost, the seeds inside cost $40 in Singapore currency. And if we talk in euros, it will be like around 20 to 25 euros. And Indian rupees is 240 rupee per kg. So this is another food which these guys used to eat for the survival.
In fact, like all the wild animals, they are surviving on this only.
Oh, they are eating this one.
Yeah.
So you want to say that all the people and these
I'll show you.
animals.
I'll show you one more plant. This is we call it in local language giti.
Giti.
Giti, yeah.
Oh.
I don't know what is in Hindi, but this it contains small kind of like a size of potato balls, and it's very sweet, and it's basically a vegetable. And when you cook it with garlic and ginger, wow, amazing taste.
Oh,
And
these all you guys were finding in the forest.
Yeah.
This you are really going in the
this is
forest,
called giti.
and no one
It's,
is.
I can say it's
natural.
It's basically a species like the species from family of Arabi, and what do you call the name? What is in English? What is it?
Turnip.
Yeah, no, not turnip. It's called. I mean, what do you call say Arabi in English? I don't understand. Yeah.
That's like local,
Local
vegetable in India.
Vegetable come fruit.
Yeah. So guys, these are all the things which you're seeing in the forest. Okay, we are not going to any market. It's not a market. These seeds, these fruits, these vegetables, they are just growing in like by nature. Natural
Now
things.
we are entering in our Siba place.
Oh,
It's
see here
basically-
is a very temple,
it's a Siba
spiritual place here.
basically, and here is when according to Hindu, when the person die, we bring we burn here. It's a kind of criminal place. I mean, criminal place. Please
Oh,
guys,
you
go.
can say
Let's go.
okay. I'll try to show you the place. See, you guys can see there. We'll go there. This is a temple. Means just like a what do you call that place? Derby, right?
Yeah.
Where you burn the dead bodies. So it's a spiritual thing in India. They burn in front of the god, and that is mainly Lord Shiva. He's
And
famous
this
for.
place is the wonder of this place, because here if you especially die in a city area, you have to pay for wood, you have to pay for everything. Here is nothing because it's natural. We just all the trees are here lying here. We just take out and then we burn the body here. Very simple. These are two types of river here. This is called one Chori Roll, one is called Pandeo Roll. There is called Sangam. So it's basically
Oh, it's a combination of two rivers. You
Two
can
rivers,
say, just
yeah.
like we have in Depriyag.
Later I'll show you I will share with you the story of this Sibalaya. We go down and then I will show you original place for Sibalaya.
Oh, this is a very good tour I ever had in my life. I have been. I have been.
Please come fast, come fast, come fast.
Oh, she's a local man, local girl here.
Local girl.
Oh,
See,
see,
don't waste your time. I'll go for Limula.
she's super fast. She's going very fast.
Yeah.
what do you call it? Oh, लड़की बहुत तेज जाती है. Oh my God. I am learning.
You know, पहाड़ी लड़की बहुत तेज होती है.
Oh, she's
वो
fast.
हमको समझता ही नहीं है.
See, I am taking this stick for climbing, but she is going just like that.
Without lathi.
See my shoes. I can't go without these shoes.
Yeah, but she
And
can.
she is going with chappals.
Chappal, yeah, no,
Local chappals. Oh my
Slippery.
God.
Uh,
This talent. Unbelievable. And this place is very good.
yeah, I will show you here. It's a cow drop.
Oh, why is this for?
Cow drop. It's a pure.
Can you bring in
drop.
front of camera,
They
please?
eat the grass, they eat the leaves, and they drop it. This is a kind of medicine, and it's very good for your skin. If you have any kind of skin diseases, what you have to do, you have to rub it, and like this, and after few days, in all the germs and bacteria will be killed automatically, and skin will be very bright.
Are you serious?
It's called,
This is not a cow drop. This is cow dung.
okay, so this is a cow drop. So what about okay now?
It's a very good place here.
Now we are finally reached here to Siva place.
Oh, we are going to see what place. Oh God.
Okay, this is here. You can take the camera. Here.
Okay.
This is my goodness.
Oh, it's okay. It's natural.
Yeah.
Okay,
Not
okay.
natural.
So,
14,000 phone.
Okay.
so
Yeah.
this is what do you call this? You can see there is a few stones lying over here.